Hello again. This is another in a series of videos brought to you by San Diego Defenders. These videos are meant to help you if and when you ever have issues with the police or getting arrested. Today's topic is bail. If you've been arrested for almost any charge, chances are the issue of bail is going to come up. The way bail works is, once you've been arrested, the jail has what is referred to as a bail schedule. Based on what charges you're facing, they determine how much your bail should be set at. Now, the way bail works with a bail bondsman is that you give a percentage to the bail bondsman, usually around 10%, sometimes a little less, of the bail amount. For example, if your bail is set at $10,000, if you pay $1,000 to the bail bondsman guarantees the $10,000 to the jail, and the jail releases you based on your promise to appear in court. If you don't appear in court, the bail is forfeited, and not only will the police be looking for you, but so will the bail bondsman, because they're on the hook for the $10,000. You can also bail out giving the entire amount to the jail yourself, or if someone you know is able to do that. If you do that, when your case is done, you get the entire amount back. If you go through a bail bondsman, you don't get the 10% or 8% or whatever the amount is you paid to them back. There are a couple things to consider. It is always best to bail out if you can, but you should think about a few things before you do so. No one wants to spend time in jail, but if you hire an attorney, your court case will be called within 3 days if you're in custody, and your hired attorney can argue to the court to either have your bail reduced or have you released OR. That's on your own recognizance. That way you don't spend the money on bail. It is important to bail out if you can. If for no other reason, you can keep your life going, keep working, stay with your family. And as far as your case is concerned, if you're out of custody, you're better able to assist your lawyer in preparing your defense to your case. You as an individual will have to decide whether the money to bail out is worth it or not. Something to keep in mind is every day you're in custody counts towards any punishment you get ultimately if you plead guilty or found guilty. I hope this has been useful to you in deciding whether or not to bail out if you're ever arrested. Have a good day.